That was some quality. Let's go to manure in my face.
So this is the situation right now. And as we have a lot of rubble, we need a place where to put it. Today's goal is to take out all the garbage and clean it up. At least no more poop. We don't want to see any more poop, and we don't want to see any more broken bricks and cement. Yeah. Okay? Let's go. We're getting there. So we stack these ones because we might actually reuse them to put them for some support. I don't know, we're gonna reuse them to build. Maybe also this one, we're gonna put it in some concrete. Let's see.
Wow.